Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a delicious breakfast called Apple Pancakes. The recipe is for 2 persons and we start with the ingredients. We need 2 eggs, 1.1 cups of flour, 2 apples, 5 ounces of milk, half teaspoon of baking powder, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. We start by putting the eggs in the bowl. We add the milk, the salt, the sugar, and whisk everything together. Now we add the baking powder, give it a quick whisk, and we put in the flour. Now we mix everything together until we get a nice, smooth pancake batter. Now I start by cutting and peeling the apples. I remove the apple seeds and peel the apples. Now we cut them up into slices and little pieces. We put the apple pieces into the pancake batter and mix everything up. The preparation took about 10 minutes and now we are going to fry the pancakes. So I use an iron pan and I put into it some vegetable oil and a little piece of butter, which is about 1 tablespoon. So when the butter has melted completely, the pan is hot enough and I can make my first 2 pancakes. I then reduce the heat to 50% and let them fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that time they reach a golden brown color. Anyway, I adjusted the heat a little more. I put it down to 30% and I added some extra oil just to keep in check of the temperature. The baking powder, by the way, helps the pancakes to fluff up and yeah, they get nice and soft inside. So when they are done and they are golden brown on each side, I take them out and put them on a piece of kitchen paper to soak up the excess oil. Altogether you will get 6 pancakes, which is more than enough for a nice start in the morning. If you like this video, please leave a comment, like, subscribe and share, and click on the bell if you don't want to miss the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.